Hi, I'm Clint Orm, Chief Marketing Officer and co-founder here at SugarCRM. Welcome to the Sugar Cloud Fall 18 release highlights. Over the past few months, we've been working on new product functionality that enhances the usability and utility of the core Sugar application with quotes configuration, new data visualizations, and another big improvement to advanced workflow in Sugar Enterprise. So, over the next few minutes, we'll highlight those key features to be released here early next month. An area we've been investing heavily in is our Configure Price Quotes capability. In Sugar's Fall 18 release, modifying the layout and content in quotes will be easier than ever with the introduction of quotes configuration. Configuring your quotes to suit your industry and the way you do business is important, because your quotes represent your sales organization and ultimately your brand. When you think about generating and presenting quotes to your prospects and customers, it's important that they're designed in such a way that all relevant pricing information to your proposals and transactions are displayed. And information that's not relevant, information that might cause noise or confusion when reviewing the quote, is omitted. With Sugar Fall 18, your quotes will be even more clear, comprehensive, and accurate. Now, with the new quotes configuration in a matter of minutes, administrators will be able to make changes that previously required expensive and time-consuming code changes. In Fall 18, adding, removing, and changing the order of fields in the quoted line items table are now possible with just a few clicks. Administrators can now add custom fields created in Studio, including dependent and calculated fields, quickly and easily. As an administrator, simply navigate to the products and quotes, click Quotes Configuration to open the configuration drawer, and expand one of those sections available to configure, such as the summary bar header, or the worksheet columns, or the grand totals footer. From there, you can search and add or remove fields to the section by checking or unchecking the field names on the right side of the drawer. Fields can be rearranged with drag and drop ease. One of the key areas CRM delivers value to customer organizations is around the ability to render business insight from the vast amount of information created and housed in the CRM application. That's why we're constantly investing in ways to deliver that insight to our users. In Fall 18, we're announcing the availability of additional chart types in our reporting and analytics. The two new chart types are grouped vertical bar and grouped horizontal bar. These two additions augment the existing stacked bar charts provided for easier comparison of your data. For example, comparing Q1 and Q2 revenue for each region. The new chart type opens up new possibilities for analyzing your customer data. So let's dig into this. When creating a report, users today have the option of selecting a stacked bar chart, vertical or horizontal. The current stacked bar chart is useful for visualizing things like pipeline amount by stages for each month, when the stage is an individual stack and a single bar represents the total pipeline for the month. However, the stacked bar chart does not allow for easy comparison of information side by side. For example, we want to compare closed business by seller quarter over quarter. Or I might want to compare generated pipeline by user or by opportunity stage. To solve the problem of side-by-side comparison visually, we added the grouped version of the chart. You can imagine many more examples where this grouped version of the chart offers a much better way to visualize and compare data side by side. As organizations grow in size and complexity, so does the need to save time and operate more efficiently. We're always listening to our customers, and we recognize the creative and varied ways they use advanced workflow. It's no secret that business process automation can have a big impact on the bottom line. Advanced Workflow in Sugar offers customers a full set of business process automation capabilities. And, as you may have seen over the past year, it's an area in which we're putting continuous investment. What if you wanted to notify all sales team members working with a customer account that an opportunity has progressed to the next stage? What if you wanted to notify all customer contacts interested in a service case resolution? We're excited to share with you even greater flexibility in the automatic sending of emails, enabling you to reach a wider and more selective set of recipients. To illustrate, here we have a case that is in process, currently in an assigned status owned by a service rep named Will. Jen, the Sugar administrator, created a simple workflow to send an automated email to notify the customer contacts associated with this case that it has been resolved, CCing Will on that email, such that when the case status is moved from assigned to closed, the email goes out to all interested parties. She simply creates the criteria where a case record is updated to a closed status. She then goes on to create an email template, including pertinent information like the case subject, case number, and the resolution. And she created the event to send the case closed email to all of the contacts related to the case, CCing Will. Thanks for taking a quick look at the highlights of our Fall 18 release. And as always, please visit the releases space in the SugarCRM community and check out our release notes and documentation on support.sugarcrm.com. Thank you for being a SugarCRM customer.